Y'all, hey, and what we are going to be doing today is we are going to be doing a cut crease, or at least my attempt at a cut crease. So of course I'm going in and priming my entire eyelid with the Juvia's Place I Prep I Prime. And then I am going in with this eggplant color, and y'all will have to forgive me because I threw away the little piece of plastic that shows the shades of this, but this is from the James Charles palette, and I'm using that eggplant purple color to go ahead and just create myself a crease. So I'm going to be taking my time doing this, y'all, because like I said, this is my attempt at a cut crease. So y'all just sit back and watch me do this. Okay, and now you guys, I am taking that purple shade that is directly next to that eggplant shade, and I am just using that to blend out that cut crease line and to soften it up to give myself a little bit of a blown out effect. Okay, you guys, and what I'm about to do next is going to not only soften that blend that I just did for my cut crease color, but it's also going to set the concealer that I used under my brow, and this is just the chalk dust setting powder that I'm using. And you guys, I wanted to deepen the outer V area of my eyes, so what I used was I first went in with this brown, and it's kind of like an espresso shade, and that's going to give me the baseline for the deepening of that crease that I want, deepening of my outer V also. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and then I'm going to put that little espresso color in there for you guys. And then you guys, I dipped into that black once, and then I tapped it off my brush, tapped the excess off because I didn't want it to be too dark, but I still wanted to give me that definition. So that is what you saw me guys doing with the tap, tap, tap of my brush. And now comes the fun part, you guys. I had to zoom y'all in so y'all could see exactly how I am doing this. I'm using that Juvia's Place I Prep I Prime primer, and that is what I'm going to be using to cut this crease, you guys. And I am going extremely slow because I want to make sure that I cut this crease nice and that I get it the exact shape that I wanted. So y'all just sit back and watch me do this. Y'all, cutting that crease was so stressful. Y'all, I am stressed from that. But now I do have that crease cut, I am going in with this teal color and I am placing that on the inner third of my eye. I think this is the inner third, y'all. Yeah, this is the inner third by the tear duct. That's where I'm placing this teal color to go ahead and give me a beautiful seamless transition into this purple color. Now, the purpley kind of shimmer color that I started off using, is more so of a topper, so that's why I dipped into the purplish shade next to it, and I mixed the two and it gave me a pretty color. So that's what you see me placing on the inner half of my lid. Now you guys, the rest of this tutorial is going to be of things that you've already seen me do, so I am not going to talk during the rest of the tutorial. I'm just going to let the beat play and let you guys watch. And you guys, we are done. This is the finished look. You guys, I was feeling myself. I was standing up, shooting TikToks. And yes, you guys, this was my first cut crease and I love it. I hope you guys do as well. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share my content, y'all. Get me out there. Don't be stingy with my stuff. All right, bye.